Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G isn't detecting your SIM card. First of all, let's remove the SIM card we have in the phone and try reinsert it. Reinserting it after cleaning the SIM card tray. The tray is located on the back edge of the smartphone. To eject it, insert a pin-like tool into the hole on the edge of the tray. Slightly push it inside until it jumps right out. Then eject the tray like this. And then let's remove the SIM card. Now you can use a cotton pad or a microfiber cloth to carefully, a dry one, to carefully wipe the surface of your tray to make sure that there is no dust, no debris in it. And then check the slot you're using to you're inserting your SIM card into. For example, on this side we can see that it's SIM 2. On this one we can see that it's a SIM 1. There is no practical difference in using any of these, so you can use any of them of any of these sides, but just so that we know where we should be able to find our SIM card in settings, let's insert this SIM card into SIM 1 slot like this. And then as the SIM 1 side faces the device's screen, we're gonna have to reinsert the SIM card into the smartphone like this. Now let's open settings and let's go to mobile networks, and here we have our SIM card. And it is detected right now, but if your smartphone isn't detecting your SIM card, then first of all check if it's not the SIM card's fault. Try to insert it into any other device that accepts SIM card that you have around, and see if the other device sees it. And if other devices can see your SIM card, then first of all you're gonna have to reset your network settings and check again. To reset network settings, go to More Connectivity Options in Settings, then navigate down to Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. Select Reset Settings, then tap OK to confirm. And once the network settings have been reset, check your SIM card once again in mobile networks. Now, what else we can do to fix this issue is updating the software on this device. But to update the software, we're gonna have to connect to the Wi-Fi network, since the phone doesn't cannot see the SIM card. So select the Wi-Fi network, your Wi-Fi network, and enter the password to it. Then tap connect. Let your smartphone connect to this Wi-Fi network. Then go to About Phone section. Select your Xiaomi HyperOS and see if there are any updates available for your smartphone. And if there are, and if there is an update, then download and install it on your smartphone, and then try checking again. And that's it. That's all the troubleshooting steps. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it helped you resolving your issue, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.